Welcome everyone to this walkthrough of PQTrades Platforms, a full-stack trading system engineered to order executions and market operations in real time. Built with Django, Redis, and WebSocket architectures, this platform integrates both buy-side and sell-side logic, supporting market and pending orders, dynamic stop-loss and take-profit enforcements, and real-time portfolio synchronizations. Core backend infrastructure includes Django ORMs and API endpoints for trade executions and portfolio control, Celery task schedulers for background processing, Redis beats for times automations and market data caching background, JWT token scoping with per sections portfolio embedding systems, and idempotent keys enforcement to prevent duplicated tasks or executions on retire. And also, these projects deploy on Amazon Web Services EC2 Free Tiers. This system is tuned for efficient resource usage, featuring 1 to 2 seconds task poolings, swap back Redis cachings, and adaptive CPU utilizations under constrained conditions for idle tasking. This design is proposed to be as a lightweight yet scalable engines. PQTrades mimics the full trade lifecycles from initial order placements to real-time P&L displays, update, and post-trade risk management. Whether you are developers, quant engineers, or simply explore trading infrastructure design, this demo will guide you through the platform's core capabilities, front-end execution flow, WebSocket-driven price feeds, and asynchronous back-end orchestrations. Let's dive in and explore how the system works, from architectures to actions. Let's begin with the login. PQTrades supports both registered users and secure guest access for demo sessions. Now we will choose demo sessions. Choosing guest access brings us to the temporary login panels. Here, user can instantly request a sandbox sessions, no sign-up required. When a demo account is dynamically provisioned, we receive a unique emails, passwords, and expiration times, all tied to an isolated portfolios and scope via JWT authentications. Please note that credentials are shown once and cannot be recovered. Users are advised to copy them immediately before continuing a secure demo account. Compete with portfolio isolations and JWT-based token scoping. If you're ready, go to the dashboard. Once logged in, we arrive at the trader dashboard. These sections manage portfolios, the core unit of trading activities within PQTrade. To begin, we can create a new portfolios. Clicking the button brings up a configurations dialog. Each portfolio is initialized with 1 million in balance, 10x leverage, and built-in risk parameters, including daily and portfolio level drawdown limit. Behind the scenes, the system assigns a unique account numbers using Django ORMs. This ensures that each portfolio is isolated and trackable across sections and orders. Once created, the portfolio appears in your list. Clicking View Details opens a real-time summaries, including account balance, equities, margin usage, and current analyzed P&L of these portfolios. You also see the calculated drawdown threshold and live buffer zones, giving a clear snapshot of available risk capacities and exposure in these accounts. These architectures provide a scalable, risk-aware foundations of managing multiple trading sessions under strict performance constraint. When attempt to create a second portfolio, the system restricts these actions for this demo account now, since we limited to one account. The portfolio slot is capped in this sandbox experience. To delete the portfolios, you click delete, and users enter a randomly generated 6-digit confirmation code while authorizations is not enforced in these demos. These code-based checks prevents accidental deletions. The delete portfolios follow a soft delete protocol, meaning they are hidden from the trader but retained from administrative and regulatory audit purpose, depend on the storage policy. Okay, now we try to go to our trading platforms. Let's create again. We just create a portfolio against the number is running, the detail is still there, and we are ready to rock on. To proceed, we click Launch Trading Platforms. We will see the portfolios. Here, users select their active portfolio to initiate the sections. These sections also inject the portfolio identity to the servers, including the access tokens, the sections tokens, and the activates of idempotent keys to start the tradings. This point forward is securely scoped to these accounts, enforcing strict sections isolations and idempotencies for duplicate data set. Let's start. When we come here to these platforms, you will see the first sightseeing is about the project details. I stated that this project showcases a real-time trading environment designed for both executions and infrastructure learnings. It combines RESTful Django APIs with WebSocket feeding price and candles, synchronizing with backend logic with front-end UI in near real times. For demonstration purpose, the current trading panels run on delay market data, roughly 8 weeks behind UTC, allowing for unrestricted public access while preserving infrastructure integrity. Okay, let's observe the components of these platforms. First, here we will see the Market Watch. The Market Watch components feed are streamed via a WebSocket service, with throttling applied to maintain server performance. In here, in the simulated environment, every 1 to 2 seconds simulating realistic trading latency. The next one is the chart area. The chart area using lightweight candlestick renderings, updating dynamically as a new thick, complete candle. WebSocket feeds stream both raw price and structured OHLC data, allow each time frame to evolve live on screen. Let's observe the symbol switch and or time frame update. If I switch symbol to BTC USD, the WebSockets will feed the related candles and its price, also as well as I selected time frames. The candles of that time frames, historical ones and the current ones, will be shown on the screen. Fetching historical bar and syncs future candle will continue WebSocket ticks and so on from experience this platform now. The next one we will try the rest components is about other lifecycle demos. Let's walk through a full cycle of the trades, starting from entry to closures the orders. At the bottom of the chart, you will find account summaries to tracking balance, equity margins, and all trader metrics. Below this account summary, you will find the tabbed panel organizations for all orders, pendings, closed, and cancelled orders. Now let's start with the new order entry. We begin the placing some market order. We select instruments. Here we are using EUR USD or Euro dollars and the specific test size. A standard size of 1.0 lot correspond with 100,000 units of the base currency. Then we submitted an orders. We see the details, including execution price, type, and any stop loss or take profit values. Once confirmed, the test is executed. The orders appear instantly in the open order tabs. Assign a unique ID by the Django ORM metrics. The metrics begins updating. You will start see first the unrealized P&L start in minus. It's about spread and the commissions. It fluctuates based on real-time bid ask data and the margin metric accordingly. Second, observe. We will click the details and manage. When we click that, the manage opens the detailed order panels. From here, you can modify an order, such adding a stop loss, probably 1.04, and press confirm it. The stop loss will be updated and ordered. And when you click the detail again, the stop loss is shown there, as well as the take profit ones. We will try to add some ones like a 1.05 and click modify. Is validate and submit with API, then reflect immediately in the order data. And then we click again, the take profit it will stay there. Okay, we opened order already. The last one is about the closures. If you want to closures, and when you're ready, you can close by click the close buttons. Sees all details and analyze P&Ls. The system calculate the current one, apply with the commissions, and archive order into close order panel tab at the same time when you close it. If you satisfied it, you just click close it. Order is closed successfully. You will see detail here, and also the same details is in close order tabs. You can see the details once again to see what happens, the profits and loss, the holding times, and settlement list. This full demonstration seamless backend syncs from WebSocket driven pricings to Django managed executions, or in a live and module trading environments. Next, we will observe the pending order ones. Now let's export the life cycles of it. We begin again with enter new orders. This time we will select the stop and also the buy stop ones. Now maybe we change to another symbol like a BTC USD with the standard lot size of 1 BTC per 1 lot. Let's try about 1 lot size. The buy stop. The price must be above the ask price currently. We just type it tightly like a 85970. Oh, it cannot be. The price is updated. Maybe, wow, the price is spiked so fast. 61, maybe. Okay, let's try to order the pending ones, and let us see when the price is triggering. Before price triggerings, you can manage the cancelled ones and the modified ones. If you see the price is gonna be right there, or you forgot some take profit and stop loss, okay, let me take that about 85000. The take profit will be 90,000. Okay, let's just click the modify. And the stop loss and take profit modify is set up there. When you click the detail and manage again, okay, it's be up there with the P calculations of the stop loss value in dollar and take profit value in dollars. Okay, let's try the finish the cycle once. If you not satisfied to let the orders to trigger by itself, you can click the cancel once. If you decided, just confirm cancel. This pending order is cancelled already. It's disappear from pending orders tab and is shown in cancelled orders panel. The final ones, we will try to test the background task executions of stop loss or take profit, and also with the pending triggers. For started tests for backend automation engines powered by Celery workers and scheduling using Redis. This system processes stop loss, take profit, and pending orders. Okay, we will place 2 orders here with BTC, one with take profit 84. Let it tighten 100. Okay, and the older ones with the stop loss instead of this one, just stop loss, right? Oh, let it too tight, like 800. Okay, let's see these 2 orders. The first one with take profit and the other one with the stop loss. And to test it, that we have to adding some pendings to see the pendings is activated or not. The nearest one may be 86,000. Okay, without take profit and stop loss. Okay, now we have order ID number 27 and 28 in the executed orders, and the 29 orders one with the pending ones. Let's see which one is triggered first. Okay, now we will see the first orders. Maybe the stop loss one will trigger for these orders is nearly 800. Next, the RD 28, the stop loss is triggered. The order is closed by the background service and reflect immediately in the platform. Okay, I will make the pending orders tightenings to be first execution fast. These numbers. We will see that the price is nearby and is ready to executions. Okay. Since I set up for reduce the load, I will be refreshed first. Okay, the pending order is gone, and now is number 25. Yes, as the price reach the trigger level, the background worker promotes the pending order to open, and it now appear in the live tradings. This automate loop completes the real-time stop loss and take profit enforcement and pending to other lifecycles or powered by asynchronous backend processing and WebSockets price update. After we testing some executions, we back to the dashboard. After executing and managing multiple orders, we return to the dashboard to review the portfolios. Click the View Details. Here, the portfolio panels provide a snapshot of the latest data, fetching via secure backend API. You see update value for equities, unrealized profit and loss, margin usage, and dynamic risk buffers. This reflects the final state after all opens and closed positions, showcasing how the system keeps session data and syncs across trading operations and account level metrics. To explore more, try to logging in as a guest to experience the platform at the first hand. You can also browse other projects from my portfolio page and access the GitHub repositories linked below to see the relative source codes and documentations. Thank you.